Hi guys, so I'm here with my very recent purchase, which is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle 10 ml decant bottle, which I ordered from Next Perfumes, and the package has arrived today. So I'm gonna open and share it with you what the bottle looks like, and I'll also share with you all the other details. So as you can see, the bottle has come in this silver cardboard box, which is open from one side, which I don't like. Inside is this bubble wrapped decant bottle. So let me show you what it looks like. So here is the bottle, guys. This is the 10 ml decant of Coco Chanel's Mademoiselle, which is a very popular, unique, and very you know yeah, it's the most popular, the most wanted, still in the hot list. This perfume is just amazing. I cannot say enough about this perfume, and I really wanted to try this perfume from very long. So as most of you know, that my signature perfume is the Gucci Bamboo, and I've been using it since ages. So I wanted to change my signature perfume. Also, I was a little bored with the Gucci Bamboo one, so I wanted to try this one as well, and it was also recommended by a lot of YouTube influencers, Instagram influencers. So I wanted to try it out, but I don't want to go ahead and buy the whole full size bottle, because guys, Chanel products are not that cheap. They are very expensive. They are not really available at every store. So they have their own Chanel store, which I think we have one or two in Delhi, and right now in the lockdown period, even that option is not available. Also, I could not try it from any of my friends, because none of them had the bottle. And so I wanted to go ahead and try a decant of it. So even decant is not that bad of an option, because in a 10 ml decant you get at least 60 to 70 sprays. So I think that is quite a good option if you want to try out a product. So you can use it for at least a month, and you can know for yourself whether you want to go ahead and purchase a full size bottle or not. So just to compare, this is my Gucci Bamboo perfume, which I'm already halfway. As you can see, it's still not finished, but just to compare the size, that Gucci Bamboo one is a 100 ml bottle, and this is a 10 ml bottle. It's not even the size of my palm, but for the price of 649, I think it's a good option. And also, it's really difficult to get testers these days, and testers have very little quantity, starting from 1.2 ml till 2.5. They have very less quantity. So just to try out a perfume, I think 10 ml would be a perfect option. So just to share with you, the price of Coco Chanel Mademoiselle in India is about 13,999, which is a lot of money. I mean, I don't think anybody should go ahead and buy a full size product without even using a decant or a sample. So first go ahead and check a decant, and then go for the full size bottle. So to do that, all you can do is go and visit the Next Perfume website. And guys, they have all the premium brands. They have Gucci, they have Chanel, they have Prada, they have Bulgari. They have so many, and also the most popular currently, Juicy Couture. They have so many of them. So all you need to do is check their section of sample and decants, and look for the one you need. So as you can see, they have a lot of options. The most popular options here: Coco Chanel, Lancome, Creed. They also have Carolina Herrera, which is a very unique perfume. So as you can see, I have chosen my Coco Chanel bottle, and here I will choose the size that I want, which is a 10 ml bottle. Also, they have different sizes as well. So they have three sizes basically: the 10 ml one, 30 ml one, and the full size. So I'm just gonna go for the 10 ml one, and which is gonna cost me somewhat around 649. And you can see the 30 ml is around 1799. So I'm gonna choose the 10 ml for now, and I'll show you how I made the purchase and everything. So here I choose the 10 ml bottle and I add it to my cart. So very easily but very carefully go ahead and place your order, guys. It's very safe. They have WhatsApp assistance as well. Anytime you can just drop in a message and they'll tell you everything. So I actually, before ordering the product, I had a 3 to 4 hours of conversation with the expert. So it's completely safe. So guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I make reviews of products which are cruelty free, natural, paraben free, all harmful chemical and toxic free products. Also cruelty free, chemical free makeup products. I'm heavily into skincare, so you can get brutally honest reviews on my channel. Also we have different collaboration videos as well which you can watch. So thank you so much for watching. Also guys, I have other videos as well in my channel. You can definitely visit those videos and you will find some really great information about the products that you like. Also I have many other videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.